Are you having problems with Instagram not letting you creating new account and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem, and I'm going to explain to you and show you how I was able to fix it. So basically a couple of weeks ago I was having that exact same problem. I couldn't create more Instagram accounts. It keeps saying like it doesn't work, or please refresh this page. Or it might also say that you're not able to perform this action. It has like a bunch of error messages that they kept like repeating, and sometimes it was like other error messages as well. It was really weird. I was not able to create an account, and I think that the reason why I was not able to create an account was because I have actually created way too much on the exact same device. That could be one of the reasons. But what you can try to do firstly, by the way, to exclude this problem is to just close your Instagram app completely. So just close the app, and then you're going to go into your browser instead. So open up your browser either on your mobile or on your computer also, of course. And then just go into Instagram and click on sign up in here, as you can see. And try to actually sign up with your browser instead of the app, because sometimes there is some bugs on the app itself that is not letting you creating more accounts. So try on the mobile browser or computer browser instead and see if that will fix this problem for you. And if it's still not working, well, the problem is basically, I'm quite sure that the problem is that you have created way too much accounts on your device right now, and that is why it's not letting you to create more. How to fix that problem now? Well, actually what you're going to do to be able to fix it is to either get a new email address, so create a new email address and then try to create your account with a new email address. And by the way, sometimes that doesn't work either. It's going to say that you're not able to create an account. Another that is a little bit more safe, it's not guaranteed, but a bit more safe option is to actually get a new SIM card. So if you, for example, have a lot of accounts on your Instagram that you have created with the same SIM card, well, what you're going to, or rather with the same SIM card that is connected to the same number that you're constantly using on Instagram, what you're going to do, you're going to get a new SIM card with a new number, completely new number, and then you're going to create your new account with that specific number, because that should be able to fix a lot of your issues with not being able to create new Instagram accounts. So actually this specific thing was what worked for me. I got a new SIM card with a new number and I tried to create my account, and then it worked. But for some reason, if it still is not working for you even after that, and for example, let's say you're using your mobile, well, then what you're going to do, you're going to do this on either a new mobile device that you haven't yet used, or you're just going to go into a computer and do that instead with a new number. So go into a computer and then open up an incognito window and try to create and also of course go into Instagram and try to create your account with the new SIM card on your computer instead. And I hope that this will be able to fix this issue for you.